Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer money from PayPal to OKX. Now first I want you to launch up PayPal, click on your balance right here, and this will lead you to your wallet, okay? Then click on add banks and cards. And from here you'll get two options to add to your wallet. So you get banks and you get debit and credit cards. Go ahead and click on banks right here and you'll see a whole list of banks that you have to select your bank from. Or you can even search for your bank name. Just go ahead and choose the bank, and all you need to do is go ahead and connect that bank to your PayPal. After this bank has been linked, you need to transfer your money. So click on your amount right here, your wallet. So you'll see your PayPal balance. What you need to do is come here to the bottom right, okay, and then click on a transfer right here. Click on this transfer button at the bottom right of the screen. It'll give you this option, okay, transfer money or get cash. Click on transfer money, and then we have two options right here to transfer money. So we have in minutes, which is going to incur you a 25 cents fee, and we have a no fee one, which takes 1 to 3 days. I'll just go ahead and select this one for the minutes one, and then we'll click on transfer 2.16 US dollars now. And then after you're done, okay, you launch your OKX app. Okay, launch OKX. Come here at the top left, click on this menu icon, and from here you see manage assets. I want you to go ahead and click on a deposit. Okay, and you have to select a deposit method. You'll see multiple different currencies. Go ahead and select the correct currency for you, and after that we need to select a deposit method. So we'll go ahead and do bank transfer. So click on bank transfer and then click on add an account, right? So we need to add our account. So come here, click on OK, enter your bank details, okay, your account holder, your IBAN, everything, and then go ahead and add your account. And once your account is ready to verify, guys, just go ahead and make a deposit. Come here, click on deposit, enter the amount, and just make a deposit from your bank. This should be the beneficiary name, the IBAN, the SWIFT code, all of this. I have hidden that information, but you just need to use that information and make the transfer, okay? And then once your deposit is complete, guys, you can go ahead and open up your OKX wallet and then purchase crypto in OKX using that, okay? Really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, go ahead and click on buy crypto and make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to find your solution.